Hello friends, this is round 21 of star hearts and pineapples, and where we left off from the last video, which is round 20. So after that slip stitch that we made on round 20, we make a single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and in chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and mark this stitch, mark at the second chain, so that we don't have to remove the pin when we come around to hook the last stitch on the third chain of this chain 3. Then make 6 triple crochet. This chain 3 counts as a triple crochet, so we'll make 6 more triple crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that makes it a total of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triple crochets. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space right there. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and skip this 2, chain 2, and 3 double crochet on the chain 3 of the next shell. That's 1, 2, 3. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and 3 more double crochet on the same space to finish the shell. So this makes one shell on top of the shell. So we make chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and skip the 2 chains and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the next chain 5 space, just like we did here. So we will make 7 triple crochets. We already made 1, so this is the second. So 2, this is the third, this is the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, so 1, 2, 3 plus 1 is 7. So then we chain 3, and as you notice, we are repeating what we've done here. So the repeating stitches starts at the 7 at the 7 TRs, 7 triple crochets. Then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip the next chain 2, and shell, make a shell on top of the next shell, which is made up of 3 double crochet on one side of the shell, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet on the same chain 3 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip that chain 2 and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, and we repeat what we did here. So we will repeat this set of stitches all around. So starting at the shell, the repeating stitch start at the shell and ends on the chain 3 before the next shell, and just keep repeating all around. So after the last shell of the round, after making chain 3, then another chain 3 single crochet on the next chain 3 before the beginning shell, we chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and we slip stitch on the third chain of the beginning chain 3. And so that's the end of round 21. And it looks like that. And we're just I believe just 1 or 2 rounds before we start the pineapple stitch, pineapple rounds. So thank you for watching.